Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we will talk about whether cannabis might offer a new way to curb alcohol use and reveal surprising results from a first-of-its-kind trial showing it might actually work. To test this possibility in a controlled, unbiased way, scientists designed an experiment that pushed beyond theory and into measurable behavior. A team of researchers at Brown University ran a randomized, placebo-controlled trial to understand whether cannabis can reduce questionable alcohol consumption. The results are nothing short of extraordinary, however, with mild caveats. They ran a lab experiment where participants smoked cannabis and were subsequently provided the option to drink to understand the desire of alcoholism. The study, California Sober, marks the first such experiment where researchers tried to establish a causal relation between the two variables, not just observational associations. A total of 157 individuals aged between 21 and 44, all with a history of heavy alcohol use and consuming cannabis at least twice a week, participated in the study. Each participant completed 3 separate laboratory visits, and during each visit, they were exposed to one of 3 conditions: high THC cannabis containing 7.2% THC, low THC cannabis containing 3.1% THC, or placebo cannabis containing 0% THC. After consuming, they were asked to visit an experimental bar lab where they were given 8 mini-drinks, good enough to raise the body alcohol levels to at least 10%, and those who choose to opt out of drinking were given a small cash reward. The findings offered strong experimental evidence. They observed clear and measurable reduction in the alcohol urges. Those who consumed low THC cannabis, they drank nearly 1/5 less. Those who consumed high THC cannabis, they drank 1/4 less alcohol than those with placebo. Moreover, they waited longer before taking their first drink than after placebo. However, there is a preliminary caution: cannabis consumption has its own disadvantages. They found results for a subsequent consumption habits, not for simultaneous usage habits. The risk co-use might skew differently, though there is prior research which also contributes to the narrative that CBD, a non-intoxicating component of cannabis, can reduce alcohol consumption. These effects can vary if the process is continued for a longer duration. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.